Picture your mind like a laptop someone forgot to close. Tabs everywhere, fans whirring, that low hum, keeping even the dog awake. Turns out, the average brain hosts 6,000 thoughts a day. But when anxiety barges in, it keeps replaying the same dozen worries until the whole thing stalls. 10 quiet minutes, and you can shut those tabs without yanking the plug. Ready to refresh? Settle any way that feels like off. Sitting, lying, whatever lets your spine rest without wilting. Hands drop where they soften. If the room's cool, toss a blanket over your legs. Warmth whispers to the nervous system. The hunt's done. When you're ready, close the eyes and we'll go. Section 1. Arrive. Breath as task manager. Notice the next inhale slide in. Cool. Quiet. Like a new tab loading. Exhale. Warmer air leaves. Imagine hitting the little X. No counting. No forcing. If the shoulders butt in, smile at their eagerness. Invite them down. 3 more cycles. Your own speed. Each exhale, closing a background window. You in the comfort that you belong to every moment. And every moment belongs to you. Section 2. Body scan. Close the bandwidth hogs. Start at the crown. Pretend a gentle hand wipes across the forehead. Exhale. The history clears. Browse those mini critics. Let them rise, fall, go slack, jaw, teeth a finger width apart, tongue resting like a minimized app, neck. Tomorrow's meetings love it here. Breathe out. Send the file to trash. Shoulders. Still typing. Roll once. Park them. Arms. Elbows. Wrists. Blood trickles back like a download, finishing in the corner. Chest. Notice lungs and heart trading data. No edits needed. Belly. hips, thighs, knees, calves. Each exhale closes another tab. Feet last, heels, arches, toes. Section 5. Stillness buffer. Now let even the browser fade. No story, no picture. Just breath, waving like a quiet screensaver. Another pop-up? Greet it like a sparrow on the sill. Sit in 10, 20, 30 seconds of silence. Heart counting the beats, while the nervous system caches this calm. Section 6. Return. Reopen only what you need. Feel support points. Seat, clothing, air. Wiggle fingers and toes. Tiny loaders spinning up. Reopen one fleeing tab labeled Calm Clarity. When you're ready, lift the eyes. Let light pour back in without the glare. If this cleared your cache, like and save the video so it resurfaces when your mind overheats. Pass it to the friend running 20 worry tabs at 2 a.m. Check out our other meditations on mental well-being. Deeper cleanse. Live in the playlist. Subscribe if you want the next upload waiting, like a tidy desktop Monday morning. Conclusion. Carry this single tab focus into the next chat, the next chore. One window, one breath, one moment, plenty of space for everything that actually matters.